Alright, so what we can do here is just do a simple set, really, just to make it a bit more interesting. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click off the exposure and just make it a little bit brighter. Maybe just something like that will do. Right, so I'm going to click on this plane and then I'm going to make it bigger. And also in the inputs, I'm going to get rid of the 10 by 10 and just put 1. So it's nice and simple. So if we take a look here, we can see the plane looks like this. So that means the camera is at the wrong angle. That's better. I'm just going to like tilt it down a little bit. Now I'm going to lock it again. Right, okay, so we don't want to see the edge of the set on camera. So I'm going to push it forward and then we can push this further back. Let's grab these two vertices and push it to the side. Okay, so this is the floor. Let's grab the edge and here. So I've selected these three edges and extrude, W for move, and let's just push them up like that. So there we go. So we want it to go beyond the edge of frame like that. You see? And maybe this is too far out. Let's have a look. So I want it about here. Okay. This is what we have. It's a very simple set. We may be able to do, I don't know, a simple pattern on it. So grab this face here and say edit mesh, extract. Shift P to get it out of the group. So I've actually extracted this, so it's actually a separate piece. And the reason for that is because I actually want to do something with it. So what can we do with it? Well, let's grab the mesh tools multi-cut and let's just kind of do this. And let's have a look. We can move that across there. Something like that. So we've got this like strange pattern on the wall. Select all these edge loops here, bevel the edge. Let's bring the fraction in closer. Something like that. And then what we can do is select these faces that were created from the bevel. And then extrude, W move and just bring it in. Something like that. We don't need these top faces here because we're not going to see them. And it's the same with the bottom faces. We're not going to see the bottom faces. Alright, so if you hit 3, obviously it's going to be too soft. So we want these edges to be much harder. So let's just add more edge loops. There you go. And then we can grab all of these edge loops here and do a bevel segments 2, and we can bring the fraction in really tight. And let's see what we've got now. Something like this. As you can see, very sci-fi-y. So now to bring this set back like that. There we go. So we've got more of the patterns in, and let's hit 3. What we can do with this set here is grab this edge here and do a bevel. There you go, nice tight bevel, and just add some holding edges. There we go, that's the set. Control S, save your scene. So now we can grab both elements of the set and Control G, and so now we've got it in a group, and we can just say set, and there you have it. And we need to drop material on it as well. So shader, AI standard surface, set AI. So select both parts of the set, right click, assign existing material, set AI. There you have it. Control S, save your scene, and there you have it. I'm just gonna do something else with this set. I'm gonna grab the multi-cut, and I'm gonna make the geometry here a bit sharper. Alright, that's a bit better. Okay, so there you go. We've done the set, so I'll see you next video.